They're futuristic new concepts, vehicles that get consumers' attention. Those in the industry say a radical change is around the corner.
Will revolutionize the way vehicles are manufactured and the way they're sold.
In the next 5 years, predictions that vehicle production is finally shifting worldwide.
Electrification is going to start to really take off by 2025, and we think the 65 million vehicles the top 12 produce, 13 million might be electrified by 2025.
More vehicles are being plugged in.
These vehicles represent a step forward in our commitment to electrification options.
And if you think fewer people are choosing to drive, think again.
Nothing statistically seems to indicate that people aren't buying cars, even in that 16 to 19 age group.
The GMC Yukon Denali.
And so here at the Canadian International Auto Show, manufacturers are giving more reasons to own. Then there's this innovation on this GMC pickup truck. It's not only a regular truck, it's also a camper. Climb on the roof, and it's comfortable for two. If you thought cars were getting smaller, the fact is many are bigger than ever. Cadillac's 2021 Escalade is so big, they've built in amplification, so people in the front and back can hear each other through the sound system.
So that whenever we're talking, they can hear you in the back seats through the speakers, and whenever they're talking, they don't have to yell and can hear you in the front seats.
So I don't have to yell at Tyler the cameraman to tell him to pipe down?
No, and I don't have to yell at my kids anymore.
Then there are transportation modes you may see above the roads, like this Canadian-made drone technology, already in service, not to move you, but your packages.
The smaller ones you could see deliveries to your home, but even the larger one you could see deliveries to an office tower for people that are having their e-commerce packages delivered to their office or to your condo.
Back on the auto floor,
okay, you can apply now. There we go.
Choices that don't come cheap. But soon companies say the cars and trucks you drive will be cheaper to run and better for the environment than ever. In the meantime, though, the industry says now is the time to buy. So buy now, but it could be better later. And as for the now, I'm standing in front of the Canadian Car of the Year from the Automobile Journalists Association of Canada, the Mazda 3. It's one before. This is the new Mazda 3. It is rated the top car in Canada.